Hello, guys. So, something interesting happened this morning. So, I woke up at about 6:30 and I got a fright because mom didn't go to work. She's at home today. She's supposed to go to work, but she says today is the last day she's working from home and then tomorrow she's off. You see, so from today, which is Wednesday, until next week, next week, Monday, Wednesday, she's off and she goes back to work. So basically just 10 days. Anyway, I woke up at 6:30, got a fright, everything, and then I took the key and I went out to go get weed. And I met this girl, her name is Caitlin. She's so pretty. And she has a really beautiful smile. Anyway, got a number. I'm here by mom for a week. So, um, that's just the starting of what happens. I told you yesterday a lot of things happen and nothing happens. Doesn't make you stupid. It was to say yesterday something didn't happen, but today I got the girl's number. And it's up to me. I wanna make her my girlfriend. She's that pretty. So that's it for today's shot. To you.